Necropolitics, the power to decide who lives and who dies. So the term necropolitics was created by Wachil Mbembe from Cameroon. And it's not God who decides who lives and who dies, but it is the government, the bureaucrats, and I'm a capitalist. Yangithola? So Wachil Mbembe is reading incwadi yaka Michel Foucault. Yangithola? UMichel Foucault calls a term ebizwa ngokuthi i-biopower or i-biopolitics. Yabo? So i-biopower, bio means life and power means control. So biopower means control over life. Yabo? So Michel Foucault athi dala long time ago it was the king who decided who lives and who dies. Yabo? If utshontshile, the king decides ukuthi we have to cut off your hand. Yabo? If wenze anything bad, the king decides ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ngawe, what is your fate. Yangithola? But as the system advances, as the system becomes more intelligent, it realizes ukuthi if power only resonates from the king, abantu realize ukuthi who's the problem, the king. Yabo? So the king had to filter down power yakhe through the system, mekasho uMichel Foucault. So the king or the state creates systems to enforce power, systems to control life, yabo, such as prisons. If you don't listen, you'll go to jail, yabo. If you don't conform, you'll go to a mental asylum, yabo. And abantu to program you to conform is ikolo, ibhedlela, amasonto, and all these institutions, yabo. They dictate what is the best way for a human to behave. And if you don't conform, you say you're going to a mental asylum or you're going to prison, yabo, awusakhitshwa isandla and you're no longer unalived, yabo. So Achille Mbembe uyayibona lento le ka Michel Foucault, yabo, and partially he agrees, but Achille Mbembe has a problem because Achille Mbembe ubheke eGaza, yabo, which what is happening to Palestinians, yabo. Achille Mbembe ubheke eCongo, which is what is happening eCongo. Achille Mbembe ubheke eSudan, which is what is happening in Sudan. People are being put to death, yabo. So this idea which the government only controls life is null and void, or even though it is partially correct, but it's not always objectively utilized. Yangithola ukuthi khona abantu who are put to death even though they are not immediately put to death, but they are placed in conditions where eventually they will be put to death. Labo bantu labo Achille Mbembe athi they are the living dead. Yangithola? So how does politics work? And so politics is about putting people to death, yabo. So for example, Gaza, for example, yabo, the state Israel is using its power to put Palestinians to death. Yangithola? Congo, like the Congo civil war, Congolese are being put to death, and the living dead, njengathi so like South Africa, or particularly Tina eSoweto, where we are surrounded by asbestos, in which asbestos, it has been proven that asbestos are not good for human health, but we are always exposed to this state of dying, yabo, hlala endaweni in which any time of any day impilo yakho can be taken from you. And not only that, even like the state, capitalist and the ruling class can decide ukuthi wena as the poor class you are always exposed to death by ensuring that you don't have equal access to healthcare. If maybe ungaya ebhara or any hospital, you find that there are limited resources, yabo. Whereas meaning ukuthi eventually, even though angeke uzufe immediately, but eventually due to limited resources njenge healthcare, eventually you'll be put to death. So politics is namanje South Africa is playing itself, yabo, or it played itself in 2008, where Tina, the citizens, decided ukuthi abantu who don't belong in this country, their lives are not as important. So we decided ukuthi we can put them to death. So necropolitics, what do you think about necropolitics and biopower? Partially, even though partially, do you believe ukuthi the state is using biopower to control human lives, or the state is using power, is using power, putting people to death to ensure that abantu behave?